Good morning everyone. Welcome to Eklavya online classes. As you all know that part 1 and part 2 we completed in previous class. So now today we start conjunction part 3rd. Okay. So what is third part? Third conjunction is correlative conjunction. Which one? Third is correlative conjunction. Third is correlative conjunction. Clear? So what is correlative conjunction? So remember one thing, correlative conjunction we use in pair. Okay? Correlative conjunction we use in pair. Clear? So write down in bracket used in pairs. Used in pairs. Correlative conjunction used in pairs. Now write down the definition of correlative conjunction. Some conjunctions convey their full sense only when they are used in pairs. They are often called correlative conjunctions. They are often called correlative conjunctions. They are often called correlative conjunctions. Some of the correlative conjunctions are coordinating while some of them are subordinating. Okay. So this is our correlative conjunction definition. Again listen. Some conjunctions convey their full sense only when they are used in pairs. Means some conjunction give their full meaning in pairs only. When they are used in pairs only, they are often called correlative conjunctions. Okay. Some of them are correlative conjunctions. Some of the correlative conjunctions are coordinating, and while some of the सबऑर्डिनेटिंग. ओके, कुछ कोरिलेटिव कंजंक्शंस कोऑर्डिनेटिंग होते हैं और कुछ कोरिलेटिव कंजंक्शन सबऑर्डिनेटिंग होते हैं. क्लियर? सो दिस इज द मीनिंग ऑफ कोरिलेटिव कंजंक्शन. क्लियर? नाउ नेक्स्ट राइट डाउन. Downside of this, when we use a correlative conjunction, its two parts are placed. Its two parts are placed immediately before the words to be connected. before the words to be connected. Clear? When we use a correlative conjunction, its two parts are placed immediately before the words to be connected. Means words को connect करने के लिए both pair काम में आते हैं, like either or, neither or, although, yet, such, so that. These type of conjunctions we use to connect the words. Clear? Next one, see the example. He stole not only my purse, but my books also. Clear? See, this also and this not only, they both complete the sentence. Okay, but we use these two in a pair. So these are called correlative conjunction, which is used in pair. Correlative conjunction is very simple, but some are coordinating also before we discuss, and some are subordinating also. Clear? Means correlative is the mixture of coordinating and subordinating. Clear? So everyone note down this also in fair notebook. Now, next, see the example of pairs. Now, you write down, all students, write down examples of correlative conjunctions. First of all, either or. Example of either or. Either you say sorry, either you say sorry, or either you say sorry, either you say sorry, or I tell your parents about it. Now see, this I or and this either means these both used in pair. So either you say sorry or I tell your parents about it. So this is the use of either or. One more example you write down. You can clean the room either now or after dinner. Clear? So either and or. Clear? So this is the use of either or. Now second is our neither nor. Use of neither nor. Write down the example of neither nor. They could see neither the sunrise. They could see neither the sunrise nor the sunset. They could see neither the sunrise nor the sunset. Clear? So this is the use of neither nor either or. Next, write down next example. The story was neither funny. The story was neither funny nor interesting. The story was neither funny nor interesting. Clear? So neither and nor. Is that clear? So either or and neither or use is clear. Next. Now another one, third one. Now write down third one. Third one is all our not only but also. Not only but also. Not only but also. Example write down. Mummy not only baked the cake, Mummy not only baked the cake but also decorated it. Means this way we use pair conjunctions to complete our sentence. Clear? Now another one example write down. She can not only sing well but also dance. She can not only sing well but also dance. Clear? So this but also and this not only. Okay. Now another one is, fourth one is our both and end. Okay, both and. The spy was both clever and beautiful. The spy was both clever and beautiful. Next, we both love and respect her. Clear? So this way we use both and end. The spy was both clever and beautiful. Means this way we use in pair. Another one, we both love and respect. Clear? So this way we use both and. Okay? So not only but also and both and uses completed. Now fifth one. Write down. Though and yet. Use of though and yet. Though, example write down, though he is poor, yet he is satisfied. Okay, so though and yet. Though this car is very old, though this car is very old, yet it is reliable. So this way we use of though and yet. Though he is poor, yet he is satisfied. Though this car is very old, yet it is reliable. Clear? Now next is our whether or. Clear? So whether this A not come. Okay? Whether you are going or not, let me know. Whether you are going or not, let me know. Clear? Whether you are going or not, let me know. So this way we use whether and this way we use or. Okay? Next, another one is they do not bother. They do not bother. They do not bother whether we eat or not. Whether we eat or not. हम खाएं या ना खाएं उन्हें कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Clear? So whether we eat or not. So this way we use whether or not. Clear? Now next is our another one is next conjunction is our so that. Such as. First of all write down such as. Clear? Seventh is our such as. Seventh is our such as. Clear? So such as, such next write down. Example write down. He is not such a man. He is not such a man as you. He is not such a man as you would like to marry. As you would like to marry. As you would like to marry. So, such and next is as. Clear? Next is another one. So as. Eighth is our so as. Eighth is our so as. He is not so brave. He is not so brave. He is not so brave as you think. As you think. He is not so brave as you think. Okay. Next is our so that. Such that. So that. Okay. So that. So that the speech was so moving. The speech was so moving. The speech was so moving that all eyes became wet. That all eyes became wet. Clear? Such as complete, so as complete, so that complete, and tenth one is our as. Okay? As. Clear? As write down. As you sow, so shall you reap. Example write down. As you sow, so shall you reap. Shall you reap. As we do as. Oh God. Example of as he is so brave. He is so brave as he is as brave as a lion. As brave as a lion. Clear? So here as is also completed. 11th one write down. Now another one is 11th one. Write down as and so. As so. as you sow, as you sow, so shall you reap. Clear? So here, this is the example of as and so. So here your correlative conjunctions are completed. Okay. So you all note down this part third of conjunction is completed. So you all note down, this is in your notebook. Okay. In another class we discuss another one part, fourth part, another one topic. So thank you and have a nice day for today.